Hello students of class 9. Today I am teaching you some different numbers which you know as irrational numbers. So, I am teaching about irrational numbers. So irrational numbers are written in two forms. One, you know that you can see these figures root like structure. So and one is in decimal form. So actually these are called surds. So what is surds? There are some numbers which are not a perfect square. जो नंबर का पूरा पूरा वर्गमूल नहीं निकलता है, so then the square root of such number are written in the form root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7 like that. So this form of a square root is known as surds. You must read this one. So here example given, numbers are given here and their square root are given. So 1, square root of 1 comes 1. Square root of 2, what will be a square root of 2? That is not a perfect square number. So we can write root over 2. So similarly, the square root of 3 is root 3. The square root of 4 is a perfect square number. So for its square root will be 2. And what will be a square root of 5? That is root 5. So these numbers where you can see roots are given, these are actually called surds. Okay. So further I will teach you about add, subtract, multiply and divide of the surds. Follow that one. First you should know like surds and unlike surds. So like surds root 2, 2 root 2, 7 root 2, 11 root 2. So such surds are called like surds. In each case you can see there is root 2 given. So these are like surds. Other examples like you can write 4 root 3, 15 root 3, 20 root 3, root 3. So these all have root 3 in each one. So these are like surds. These are like surds. Similarly, all the roots number of is same, then that will be like surds. But unlike surds, so these are unlike because here root 3, here is root 2, 5 root 2, here 7 root 5. So under root the different numbers are given. So for these are unlike surds. So you must follow these examples and difference between like surds and unlike surds. Now about how to add. Before I teach you about add, subtract, multiply and divide of surds, you should know that simplification. Simplify. 8 it is the simplest form of this one, but this you can write in this form. 8, factorize that 2 into 2 into 2, and 2, one pair of 2 will come out. So this will be 2 root 2. Then it becomes 6 root 2. In this way, you will write in the simpler form. Okay? Now add. Suppose you have to add this one. Very simple sum I have taken. So here is root 3 and here is also root 3. So these two are similar. Only similar sets or like sets will add together. So what is given here out of the root 3 is given. Here out of root is no number is here. So this will consider as 1. So 3 plus 1 what comes? 4. 4 root 3. And this one is root 2 and this is 8. So if the number is composite, then you will factorize that one and you will write in the simple form of the surds. So here you can write root 2 and root 8 you can write 2 into 2 into 2. Root 2 will come. Okay. Now here this time you can add. This is root 2. This is 2 root 2. So outside of the root, no any number is here. That will consider 1. 1 plus 2 what comes? 3. Then 4 root 3 plus 3 root 2 will come. This is the answer. In this way we will do add. Similarly you will do subtract. All the like sets will subtract together. Subtract. There you have to subtract this. So here is root 2, here is also root 2. So these two are like sets. So only between these two you can do subtraction. So here is 5 and here is 3. So outside number is always subtract. Inside number never subtract. So 5 minus 3 what comes? That comes 2. And this will be 2 root 2. But this is quite different from this. So you will write as it is. Then answer is 2 root 2 and this one is alone. So for minus 4 root 3. This will be answer. If you take another example. Now follow here. Here is root 6, root 6. So these two are similar. But root 6 is not a perfect square number. So it will be remain as it is. If you will factorize, then 2 and 3 will come. So outside of the root, no any number will come out. So these two are same. So 9 minus 8 what comes? 1. So 1 we should not write here. then you can write only root 6. Here is plus 7 root 3 minus 2 root 27. You can factorize this one. 3 into 3 into 3. So one pair of 3 will come out. 6 plus 7 root 3 minus 2 into, for this 2 1 3 for this 2 3, 1 3 will come out and 1 will remain inside that root. So this became 3 root 3. That means simplest form of 27 is 3 root 3. And now you can write root 6 plus 7 root 3 minus 6 root 3. Now this time you can see here plus 7 root 3 minus 6 root 3. Then this became similar like such. So you can subtract between this one. So 7 minus 6 comes 1. So 1 you will not write and root 3 only. This much is the answer. So in this way you will try to understand add and subtract subsets. This will be very useful to you in other sums that you will get help from this one. After this I will do multiply and divide. Okay, thanks.